For Ready Math today, we're going to continue to work with subtraction within 5. So we have a picture here of some cars that are in a parking lot. Boys and girls, you can always get things at home to help you with these subtraction problems. Maybe you or a brother or sister actually has some cars. You could line up the cars in a row like in a parking lot. So if we look at our top row, let's count how many are in that top row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you don't have 5 cars, you can use your two-sided counters, buttons, beads, anything you need to help you with your learning. So here's the problem. Looking at the top row, all of those cars are in a parking lot. There are 5 cars parked in a row. 1 car leaves. How many cars are still in the row? I can't erase one of the cars, so I need to find a way to show that one of the cars left the parking lot. So I can cross one out. If I'm going to write an expression to match these cars, I need to start back at the beginning of my story. There are 5 cars parked in a row in the parking lot. That's how many I started with. And one of the cars left. That means something was taken away. It was broken off. So we are going to use our subtraction minus takeaway symbol to show that it left. Now, how many left the parking lot? 1. 1 left the parking lot. This is an expression to show what happened. We don't need to do the equal sign to make it an equation. We're just showing what the story did. Let's look at the second row. Count how many cars are in that row of the parking lot. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cars in a row. 2 cars leave the row. How many cars are still in the row? Show that 2 cars left the row. Now let's write an expression to match our picture. Remember, we're starting back at the beginning of how many cars we started with. How many cars were in the row? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cars were in the row. 2 cars left. Are we going to add or subtract? Subtract, because part of our cars broke away. Minus, take away, subtraction. How many left? 2. 2 cars left. Boys and girls, I would like you to make up some of your own expressions and stories for these cars. I would like you to show me on your flip grid a picture or what you used to make these expressions. Tell me the story. So for instance, in the top row, you would say there are 5 cars in the row. Then I want you to make up on your own how many left. Show me in a subtraction expression and explain your thinking.